This is ASUS ROG Phone 7, and today I would like to show how you can share the Wi-Fi network on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then enter the Network and Internet category. Onwards, go for the Internet. Once you've made it over here, go for the Wi-Fi. And practically, firstly you will need to connect your device to whatever network you would like to share, obviously. Then, upon connection, tap on it. And at the following page, as you can see, there is the QR code that you can conveniently scan with any other device you wanted to share this network with at the first place. And the aforementioned device, should it be tablet or smartphone, will be automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.